Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can tag someone in a Facebook post. Before you start watching, dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also friends, write your comments. So let's go ahead and get started. And first of all, please open the Facebook app on your device. And then go to the top to create a post. And there are two methods here as to how you could tag somebody in your publish. To begin with, when you may have perhaps already added a photo or a video or some kind of caption, and so forth, you can, friends, but you can swipe this line up a little bit and add people. Now just swipe through the list that you'll see and select the person to add. Click on it and click Ready. That way, the person will be mentioned in your post. And the second option. For this, you will have to, friends, first of all select some photo. After that, add that photo. And now, friends, when you open it up, you can also click on the doggy sign at the top and then click on the photo and scroll through the list that you get. Or you can just type in the person's name to tag them. This way, you'll also add a mention of the person, but on a specific photo, if you don't want to attribute such a person to your entire post. That's how easy and very fast, dear friends, you can tag someone in a Facebook post. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you all again.